Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure in welcoming you to the 6th edition of the Machinist Super Shopfloor Awards. We have divided this ceremony into two parts. The winners of the large enterprises will be felicitated in the first half, and the winners of the SME segment will be felicitated in the second half. And now, we will start with the traditional lamp lighting, wherein we seek the blessings of the Almighty. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to hand over the stage to Mr. Niranjan Mudholkar, editor, The Machinist, for his opening remarks.
It's been a very difficult year for each one of us. What is important here is that the human spirit has triumphed against all odds, and it will continue to do so. A lot of things have changed, but there are certain things that have not changed. The spirit of humanity has not changed. The spirit of Indian manufacturing has not changed. The quest for excellence that each one of you demonstrates every living moment, that has not changed. This platform has not changed. The purpose of this platform is to recognize what is good, what is great, and what is best in this industry. And we will continue to do so. That will never change. The strong support that our partners have shown in us, that has not changed. And one more thing that has not changed is this Mackie Trophy. It will continue to shine, holding the flag of the Indian manufacturing industry. Thank you so much for coming here, people. Thanks again. Take care.
I have to say that if the Machinist Super Shopfloor Awards platform has reached a certain stature today, it is only because of the unwavering support of all our partners, starting with the presenting partner, the AceMicromatic Group. And the man who represents this group has been a pillar of strength for our platform. He is Mr. TKR Ramesh, Managing Director and CEO, Micromatic Machine Tools Private Limited. Please join me in welcoming him up on stage for his welcome note.
Thank you very much, each and every one of you who are here present. This journey of the Super Shopfloor Awards was conceived, created, and the Mackie is going on to become significant stature of its own for the manufacturing sector, and the purpose behind that is to celebrate the engineer on the shop floor. So I'm glad that we have been together with the Machinist magazine in this journey since its inception, and we hope we are going to grow from strength to strength, and I believe, hope, wish, and perhaps somewhere very, very confident that the 2021 Super Shopfloor Award would be very different from where we are today, and it's going to get back to the celebration that it normally is, was, and will continue to remain to be the celebration of the shop floor and the people on the shop floors. Thank you very much, and enjoy yourselves.
One of the highlights of our awards function is a brief but very engaging CEO panel discussion with a pertinent theme. This year, CEO's panel discussion is going to talk about redefining leadership in the new normal.
Hemant, has COVID-19 been the toughest leadership challenge?
Toughest would be a bit lighter word to describe the challenges that we faced. It was something like we are trying to roll a rock up the hill without knowing whether we will be able to succeed or not. Really speaking, we didn't know anything. And when particularly you are in such a position like a CEO, everybody is looking at you. You're alone. And then you are fighting your own emotions, and at the same time, you're fighting the reality of the world. The reality says that you must survive. And once you survive, you must make sure that the ground is set for others to survive and thrive. And that was, I think, the toughest challenge.
TKR, my question to you. Yes, it has been a very tough time. But what are the key learnings that we are going to take ahead from this?
I strongly believe that we learn much better and we learn more strongly when we are striving against adversity. And I am sure every one of you sitting here, whether it is at the leadership on the boards of the companies, or whether it is leadership on the shop floor. Now, they really knew that they had to be careful, that they had to keep socially distanced. So, changing layout so that distances becomes better. Looking at cells which was conceived in a particular way, now conceiving them in a slightly different way. Our adaptation, whether it was to the virtual teams or the Zoom or whatever, what is it that the design people could do sitting at home, which was working on their softwares at home, trying to fortify our security. So if we were normally going at 1 step or 1.5 steps, can we look at making it 2, if not 4, is what I would like to say from a learning perspective to the manufacturing fraternity for today.
Vikas, I'd like to come to you. This pandemic has definitely accelerated our adoption of digital platforms. So do you think it is going to stay with us?
I always look at technology evolution as an aid to make our steps more efficient, more effective. And we should have a right balance on technology and the human factor. Anything excess, it's quite disruptive. They are just complementing each other. And to what extent we need to take this complement is in our hand. So it will continue. Only challenge lies with us is to strike at any given time, strike a right balance of those. Both are important.
We are now going to be starting with the segment that all of us have been waiting for, the awards ceremony. Every year we start off with the presentation with an all-important category, safety. To felicitate, let me invite up on stage Mr. T.K. Ramesh and Mr. Vikas Kadlak, MD, Morganite Crucible India Limited. So ladies and gentlemen, let's see who the runner-up is. The runner-up is Varroc Engineering Baluch. Congratulations. Let's see who the winner is. The winner is Bajaj Auto Limited, Chakan. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category is Machining Excellence. And let's see who the winner is. Well, the winner is Tata Motors Gear Factory, Pune. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, the next category that we like to move on to is Human Resources. And to announce the winner, let me invite up on stage Mr. Rohit Warrior, founder and CEO, Warrior Electronics, and Professor Madhu Ranjan, Emeritus Professor, College of Engineering, Pune. With that, ladies and gentlemen, let's see who the winner is. Congratulations to Case New Holland Construction Equipment India Private Limited, Pithampur. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the next category that we like to move on to is innovation. Let's find out who the winner in this category is. Congratulations, Mahindra and Mahindra, Pithampur. Ladies and gentlemen, moving on to our next category, it is productivity. To felicitate the winners, let me invite up on stage Mr. Yatindra Kumar, Business Head, Motultech India, and Mr. Hemant Vatve, Managing Director, Willow Mata and Platpumps Private Limited. Okay, well, for this category, there was actually a tie for the first place. And so, we have 2 winners here. Let's see which team we are calling on first on stage. Congratulations to Bombardier Transportation India Private Limited, Savli, Vadodara. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's see which other team is taking home the Mackey Trophy in this very category. Congratulations, India Yamaha Motor Private Limited, Noida. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category that we're moving on to is quality. Let's see who the winner is. Congratulations to Fiat India Automobiles Private Limited, Powertrain Plant, Ranjangaon, Pune. Well, as we move on to the next category, I have to say that it's a very unique category. It's called the COVID-19 Innovation category. To felicitate the winners, let me invite up on stage Mr. Ravi Prem, COO, Forbes & Company Limited, and Dr. Dhananjay Kumar, Emeritus Professor, College of Engineering, Pune. Ladies and gentlemen, again for this category, there was actually a tie for the first place. So we have two winners here. Let's see which team we're calling on first on stage. Congratulations to Tata Motors Limited, Dharwad. Let's see which other team is taking home the Mackie Trophy in this category. Well, it's Tata Motors Limited, Sanand. Ladies and gentlemen, we're moving on to the next category, that is green manufacturing. Let's see who the winner is. Congratulations to Jindal Stainless Limited, Jajpur. The next category that we're moving on to is supply chain management. Let me invite up on stage Mr. Preetham Shah, IGUS India, and Mr. Abhay Kothari, also from IGUS India. And ladies and gentlemen, let's see who the winner is. For Asia India Private Limited, Chakan. Heartiest congratulations to the entire team. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the next category that we're moving on to is maintenance. Let's find out who the winner in this category is. Congratulations to SKF India Limited, Pune. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category that we're moving on to is corporate social responsibility. And to announce the winner, I'd like to invite up on stage Mr. Ravi Sagar of Forbes & Company. Let's now find out who the winner is. Congratulations to the Favely Transport Rail Technologies India Limited, Hosur. Well, the next category that we're moving on to is digital manufacturing. Let's find out who the winner is. Well, congratulations to the winners, Hyundai Motor India Limited, Kanchipuram. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for the category which is the crowning glory of the ceremony, the Super Shopfloor of the Year. And to announce the winner, may I once again invite on stage Mr. T.K. Ramesh and Mr. Yatendra Kumar. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us back. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the Super Shopfloor of the Year 2020 is Tata Motors Limited, Jamshedpur. Mr. Yatendra Kumar, may I please invite you here to the podium and request you to please say a few words.
Thank you very much for everyone for coming here all the way from different locations all across India and showing the courage that we not only can run the plant, we can also run ourselves, and we will be ready to face all the challenges. Thank you.
It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming all of you to the 6th edition of the Machinist Super Shopfloor Awards. And now we have the SME segment that are being felicitated in this half. May I now request our editor, Mr. Niranjan Mudholkar, to please join me up on stage.
Welcome. The Indian manufacturing industry has started the restart mode. It is the right time to show that courage and move ahead confidently. Yes, it is the right time to be cautious, but also remember that we are equally ambitious people. So let that caution not be a hurdle in achieving our aspirations and our ambitions. Once again, welcome to you, and thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have to say that if the Machinist Super Shopfloor Awards platform has reached a certain stature today, it is also because of the unwavering support of all our partners, starting with the presenting partner, the AceMicromatic Group. The man who represents this group has been a pillar of strength for our platform. He is Mr. T.K. Ramesh, the Managing Director and CEO, Micromatic Machine Tools Private Limited. I'd like to request him to say a few words.
It's always so much more energetic when you have the SME in the room, the MSME in the room. It's a wonderful place to be. Yes, we did have some shocks and some aftershocks with the COVID, but I strongly feel that with every adversity, we take a deep look into ourselves and come out with more innovations and come out more strongly. And if there is one sector who look at every adversity with renewed vigor, innovation and effect, it is the SME. Thank you very much and enjoy yourselves.
So with this, ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for the segment that all of us have been waiting for, the awards presentation ceremony. Let me invite up on stage Mr. T.K. Ramesh and Mr. Vikas Kadlag, MD, Morganite Crucible India Limited. So ladies and gentlemen, let's find out who the SME Indian winner in safety is. Congratulations, Precision Camshafts Limited, Solapur. Let's see who the SME MNC winner is. Congratulations to the Eaton Fluid Power Limited, Pimpri, Pune. The next category that we're moving on to is Machining Excellence. Let's see who the SME Indian winner in Machining Excellence is. Congratulations to Cooper Corporation, Jeevan Satara. We're going to now find out who the SME MNC winner is. Congratulations to the Standardine India, Thiruvallur branch. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category that we'd like to move on to is Human Resources. To felicitate the winners, I'd like to invite up on stage Mr. Rajiv Mittal, Chief Information Officer, Endurance Technologies Limited, and Mr. Rajiv Singh, GM Product Management, Motul Tech. We're going to now find out who the SME Indian winner in Human Resources is. Congratulations to the winners, Roop Automotive, Sona. Ladies and gentlemen, let's find out who the SME MNC winner is. Congratulations, Steelcase Asia Pacific Holdings, Chakan, Pune. Moving on to the next category, Innovation. Let's see who the SME MNC winner is. Congratulations to the Standine India, the Thiruvallur plant. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the next category, that's Productivity. To felicitate the winners, let me invite on stage Mr. Yatendra Kumar, Business Head, Motul Tech India, and Mr. Ravi Prem, COO, Forbes and Company. Let's see who the SME Indian winner in Productivity is. Congratulations, Roop Automotives Limited, Chennai plant. Let's find out who the SME MNC winner in this category is. Congratulations to Shangdong Heavy Industries India Limited, Hinjewadi. We're moving on to the next, which is Quality. Let's see who the SME Indian winner in Quality is. Congratulations to Precision Camshafts Limited, Solapur. Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's now find out who the SME MNC winner is. Congratulations to Argo Hythos Private Limited, Coimbatore. Ladies and gentlemen, as we move on to the next category, I have to say it's a unique category. This is called the COVID-19 Innovation category. To felicitate the winners, let me invite up on stage Mr. Kshitij Chandler, Forbes and Company. Let's see who the SME Indian winner. Congratulations to the Eripic Systems Private Limited, Noida. Let's see which other team is taking home the Mackey Trophy in this category. Congratulations, Duravit India, Tarapur. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category that we're moving on to is Green Manufacturing. Let's see who the winner for SME MNC is. Congratulations, Duravit India, Tarapur, once again. The next category that we're moving on to is Supply Chain Management. I'd like to invite up on stage Mr. Rohit Warrior of VFire and Mr. Ravi Prem of Forbes and Company. Ladies and gentlemen, let's find out who the winner for Indian SME in SCM is. Congratulations to Supreme Trion Private Limited, Irun Gattukotai. It's now time to know who the winner for SME MNC is. Congratulations, Standardine India, the Tiruvallur plant. The next category that we're moving on to is maintenance. Let's see who the winner for SME India is. Congratulations to PBAP Automotive Noida. Let's find out who the winner is for SME MNC. Congratulations to the Burkhardt Compression India Limited, Pune. Ladies and gentlemen, the next category that we'd like to move on to is corporate social responsibility. Let me invite up on stage our editor, Mr. Niranjan Mutholkar, and Mr. Rajiv Mittal, Chief Information Officer, Endurance Technologies Limited. Let's find out who the winner for SME Indian in CSR is. Congratulations to Roop Automotives Limited, Sona plant. With that, let's find out who the winner is for SME MNC. Congratulations to Argo Hythos Private Limited, Coimbatore. The next category that we like to move on to is digital manufacturing. And let's find out who the winner for SME Indian is. Congratulations to Premium Transmission, Pune. Let's find out who the winner for SME MNC is. Congratulations to Kalyani Rafael Advanced Systems Limited, Telangana. It's time for the category, the Super Shopfloor of the Year. And to announce the winner, may I once again invite on stage Mr. T.K. Ramesh and Mr. Yatindra Kumar. And let's find out who the winners are. The Super Shopfloor of the Year, SME Indian, goes to PBAP Automotive Limited, Noida. Heartiest congratulations to the team. Let's find out who the winner in SME MNC segment is. Congratulations to Automotive Axles Limited, Mysuru, for winning the Super Shopfloor of the Year, SME MNC. Now it is time to acknowledge and celebrate some of the finest leaders of this industry. Yes, we are talking about our People Awards segment. To do the honors, I would once again like to invite on stage our editor, Mr. Niranjan Mutholkar. We are going to be starting this segment with the Machinist Super Next Generation Leader of the Year 2020. We have Mr. Nishant Jairath, the Director, Metalman Auto. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, we'd like to move on to the next category, the Machinist Super Entrepreneur of the Year. This is the first time that a woman leader is being recognized with this award in our history of 6 years. The Super Entrepreneur of 2020 is Ms. Sulaja Motwani, founder and CEO of Kinetic Green and Vice Chairperson, Kinetic Group. The next category that we're going to now move on to is a very special category. That's the Machinist Lifetime Achievement Award for the year 2020. Well, the Lifetime Achievement Award 2020 is for Mr. Suresh KV, head of the ZF in India. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Rishi Sutrave, brand publisher, the Machinist magazine, for his vote of thanks.
It has been a wonderful day. You know, I have so many thoughts in my mind, right? From the moment we decided to do these awards in the COVID era. And we had a lot of challenges, but it's very important to thank, the team members, especially, the jury. I also need to thank our partners. It couldn't have been possible to put this event together without your support. And I think with this awards, we put the manufacturing industry into a restart mode. So thank you so much, each one of you. Thank you so much.
Now we are seeing the revival of the industry. We are seeing that the volumes are picking up. It's been a tough time for the last 6 months. But I'm very positive about this because any problem is also another opportunity. We are able to find out new methods of doing this. Coming out of this, I'm sure that the industry will be stronger. We will be more efficient and we will have more and more feet on our own ground. So I am seeing good positive trends.
This is the first live platform that's being done, adhering to all the protocols and the requirements of the new normal. It's given us, the manufacturing industry, a lot of impetus to look forward to. It was something that we were all missing. So it's a slow but a sure and a steady start. So I guess going ahead things will be good from a country perspective, and from a manufacturing perspective hopes are extremely high.
Indian manufacturing industry growth coming back is a good sign. But I feel the major AC test is results of December and January. If we pass through with that, I have a very bright hope for short and medium term and also the long term. And I also hopeful that few industries which are not doing good today, those industries will also come back very well.
It's a privilege and an honor to be recognized for this kind of an award. Being the second gen, and with the new kind of challenges what automotive is going through, entire disruption, what we are talking about EV and all those space, I think it's altogether a different challenge, and we are equally excited to be part of it.